Hello everyone. In this class, we will be learning about Power BI graph, stacked bar graph. Okay, so let's open the Power BI. So in that many graphs we will be having. So in that we can explore the graph one by one. So today we can explore about the stacked bar graph. Okay, I'll just open the blank report. Okay, it will be appear like this. So this is the place we will be making or generating the reports. If you want to add multiple pages, it will be get added. Okay, you want to rename it, you can rename it also. It's getting to page number 2 like that. You can rename it whatever you want. You can rename it. I'll just, if you want to delete, you can delete also. Okay, so this is the place we will be doing our report. So here you can see report view. If you tap on that, the report view will be available. So in the build section, you can see. So here we have a multiple graph. Okay. So this is the stacked bar chart. This is the stacked column chart, like that, pie chart, line chart, like that. If you tap on get more visual, it will be providing you more visual. But for that, you need to sign in. So here you need to provide sign in. Okay, so you can't sign up with the Google account, so you're supposed to get a Microsoft address, mail ID, or some account, Microsoft domain account. You're supposed to get it, then only you can able to connect with it. Okay, so I'm just using the basic visuals only. So today we are dealing with a stacked bar chart. So if I want to work on that, I supposed to get the data. So when we plot the graph, after doing analysis, we want to do some summarize or generate some report. In that time we will be using this section, report section, right? Then so before that I need to get the data, so I'll just get the data. In order to get the data, in the home section, tap on the get data. Okay, many resources will be available, Excel or Power BI, semantic model, data flow, data, okay, sorry, Dataverse, SQL Server, like that. Many thing is there. So I'll just choose, either you can go with the CSV or text Excel file. I'm just opening through Excel file. Okay, I have some data. I'll just choose all file. Sometimes it will not be appear, so I'll just choose it all. Here I have some data set, Titanic data set. Disaster was happened. Okay, so it was connecting to, I'm just connecting from Excel to Power BI. Okay, so this is the data which looks like. Okay, it contain maybe some missing value and all it contain. I'm not going to do any handling null value or anything. I'm just plotting the graph. Okay, for that, just tap on the load. Okay, the data will be appeared here. Okay, you can see here age, cabin, embark, like that. Many columns we have. So I just want to know how many people were traveling here. Okay, so for that, if you want choose stacked bar chart, just select the stacked bar chart. So what you want to visualize, select those columns. So here I can just choose the survived based on the gender. Okay, I'll just use these two columns like sex and the survived people. Okay, so I had around 800 columns. Okay, but here I will be getting like 233 and 109 because I have provided sum of survived here. Okay, so in the sum of survived cases, I having the option like 0 and 1. So if I add total number of people 1, it will be providing you like this. These are the people got, sorry, this these are the people got survived in that disaster. Okay, this data set is about some Titanic data set. In around 60-70 years back, Titanic boat was got shrink, right, ship. So that disaster, in that disaster, how many people was traveling, how many people got died, such kind of information it contain. So I'm just visualizing those kind of things. Okay, so if I just select, I'll putting this sex column in the Y and sum of the survived in the X. So I'm not putting automatically it will be coming. Okay, so you can just tap on this, automatically it will be coming to the y-axis, and survived will be coming to the x-axis. If you want to swap it, you can do the swap also. Okay, just put it here. Okay, so according to the data and according to the graph, this information will be get changed, and as well as plots also. Okay, I'll just put it in the x-axis. So now you can see it will be looks different, right? So only 2 will be coming. So instead of count, okay, distinct value also I'll be getting same thing. So this is not good thing. So I'll just go with usual thing. So I'll be putting sex in the y column and survived in the x axis. Then I will be getting better. Okay. So if I took it as a count, then I will be getting total number of passenger were traveling. So total male candidate are 577 and female candidate are 314. Okay. So in that, how many got survived if you want to check? So instead of count, I'll be making as a sum. Okay, why sum? I'll just show you. So 233, 109. So if I just tap on the query transform, there you will get to know, because the data contain only 0 and 1. So that is the reason. 0 represent they doesn't, okay, sorry, they didn't survive. 1 represent they survived. So I'm just getting the survived people count. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that it was doing. That is the reason I have taken it as a sum. So this is how you can plot this stacked bar graph. So if you want to change this background or font size, you can do it. Okay, so just double tap, bold, just select all the things, bold. I just tap the bold, change the background color. You can change it. I'll just put it this color. Alignment, center alignment will be coming. Okay, and if you want to change the color, background color also, you can change it. Okay, so just select here, and it will be coming background in the format section. It will be coming. Okay, all the features will be coming in the format section. I'll just put it black. Okay, now you can see how it looks like. Maybe this is not good looking. Okay, so if you want to change this thing, you can change it, and here you can see this all are black, so I'll just make it white. Okay, transparency 100%. Okay, and increase the size like 26. I'll just make it max, male and female. You can see here. Okay, okay, this is how you can plot the graph. So even though you can change the borders color and all, you can do it. And if you want to see exact data who belongs to those numbers, means who are female candidate, who are male candidate, exact number in a tabular column, just tap on the more option, export the data, or show as a table. Okay, just tap on the show as a table. That entire table will be coming here. Female 233 and male 109. Like that exact table format you will be getting. Okay, so this is how you can plot the stacked bar. If you want other graph, you just tap on the other graph. It will be coming accordingly. Which one you will be choosing, accordingly it will be coming. So in the next class, we can explore all other chats also. Okay, I hope you learned something new. Thank you.
Hey, don't forget to download our app for access to free courses and interactive quizzes. Stay connected with us on social media for updates and free content. See you next time. Happy learning.